In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background in Microsoft Teams before starting a meeting. This is a handy feature, especially when you want to maintain privacy or just add a little flair to your video calls. Let's dive into it, step by step. First, open Microsoft Teams on your device and navigate to your calendar. Once you're there, select the meeting you want to join. This will bring up an option to join the meeting, but hold off on clicking join now just yet. Instead, let's take a moment to set up your background. When you're in the pre-join window, this is where you typically check your audio and video settings. You'll want to make sure your camera is turned on. Seeing your video feed will help you make informed choices about your background. Now, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find an icon that looks like a person with a small sparkle or star. This is the background effects icon. It's usually located near your mic and camera settings, and it's our gateway to customizing your meeting background. Once you click that icon, you'll be presented with several background options to choose from. You've got three main choices: blur, a selection of default images, or uploading a custom image. The blur feature is perfect if you simply want to obscure your background with a soft focus, which keeps the attention on you. If you're in the mood for something a bit more decorative, Microsoft Teams offers a collection of default images. Feel free to browse through them and pick one that suits the tone of your meeting. If you want something truly personalized, you can upload your own image by clicking the Add New option. This can be great for a professional touch like a company logo or something more fun and personal. After selecting your background, it's a good idea to preview how it looks. The preview button lets you see what your background will look like during the meeting, allowing you to make any adjustments before going live. This is your chance to make sure that everything looks just right, with no unexpected or distracting elements in the frame. Once you're happy with how everything looks, simply click Apply and Join. This will not only apply the background you've chosen, but also take you into the meeting, complete with your new background setting. And there you have it. You'll be joining your meeting with a customized setting that suits your taste and requirements. Changing your background in Microsoft Teams is quick and straightforward, enhancing your meeting experience with just a few clicks. By following these simple steps, you'll be ready to present yourself in the best possible light. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial, and happy meetings.